Hey everyone, welcome back to Coffee and Learn English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Liam. We're really happy you're here with us today. If you're new here, please subscribe and like this video.
We're here to help you practice English in an easy and fun way. Today we're learning some and any, plus how to use them naturally with countable and uncountable nouns.
All right, ready? Let's go. Grab a coffee and let's chat.
Straight to the point. Some and any help you talk about amounts, but in a natural, simple way.
And they show up everywhere. Food, shopping, travel, daily life, even small talk.
The basic idea is easy. Some is common in positive sentences.
Any is common in questions and negatives.
Example, I have some time.
Do you have any time?
I don't have any time.
But there's more. Some also appears in questions when you offer or request something politely.
Like, would you like some coffee? Can I have some water?
And any can appear in positive sentences when you mean it doesn't matter which one.
Like, you can choose any seat. Any day works.
Today, we'll keep it practical. We'll learn the rules, fix the most common mistakes, and practice with real conversation scenes.
We'll use shopping, ordering, and everyday situations so you can copy the sentences today.
We will also connect this to countable and uncountable nouns, but in a simple way.
Countable means you can count it. 1 apple, 2 apples.
Uncountable means you usually don't count it as separate units. Water, milk, rice, information.
You don't need to memorize a huge list today. Just understand the idea, and you'll start using some and any correctly fast.
Great. Let's start with the clearest rule and build from there.
Then we'll do questions, negatives, offers, and the special meaning of any.
Rule 1. Use some in most positive sentences.
I have some money.
We need some help.
She wants some coffee.
They bought some groceries.
You can use some with countable plural nouns. Some apples, some friends, some ideas, some books.
And you can use some with uncountable nouns.
Some water, some rice, some information, some advice.
Notice advice and information are uncountable in English.
People often say an advice or informations. That's a common mistake.
Correct is some advice, some information.
Now, rule 2. Use any in most questions and negatives.
Do you have any questions?
Do we need any batteries?
Is there any milk?
Are there any cookies?
Negatives.
I don't have any time.
She doesn't have any money.
We didn't buy any bread.
They can't find any information.
Great, that covers most situations.
But now we add the 2 big upgrades that make you sound natural.
Upgrade 1, some and polite questions.
Upgrade 2, any in positive sentences, meaning it doesn't matter which one.
Let's do upgrade 1 first because it's super common in daily life.
And it's the reason learners get confused when they hear some in a question. Upgrade 1, some in polite offers and requests.
When you offer something, you often use some.
Would you like some coffee?
Do you want some water?
Can I get you some tea?
Would you like some help?
These are questions, but they feel positive.
Because you expect the answer might be yes, and you're offering politely.
Requests also use some.
Can I have some water?
Could I get some sugar?
Can we get some extra napkins?
Could you give me some advice?
This is one of the most natural English patterns.
If you always use any in questions, you might sound too neutral or too direct.
Compare. Do you want any coffee?
It's not wrong, but it can sound like you're not sure or you don't expect it.
In friendly situations, some is often better.
Would you like some coffee? That sounds warm.
Great. Now we should practice with the short cafe scene.
Because that's where offers and requests happen nonstop.
And then we will show upgrade 2. Any meaning it doesn't matter which.
That meaning is super useful in travel and daily decisions.
Quick cafe practice.
I'm the barista, you're the customer. Hi, would you like some coffee?
Yes, please. Can I have some milk in it?
Sure. Do you want some sugar?
No thanks. I don't need any sugar.
Perfect. Some in the offer, some in the request, any in the negative.
Now another one. Can I get you some water?
Yes, please. And do you have any snacks?
Great. Any in a neutral question. You're not offering, you're asking if it exists.
Exactly.
Now upgrade 2. Any in positive sentences, meaning it doesn't matter which.
This is like whichever, no preference.
You can pick any seat.
Any day works for me.
I'm free anytime this week.
If you have any problems, call me.
That last one is common. If you have any questions, let me know.
It's positive, but it means no matter what kind of question.
Another example. You can choose any color you like.
I'll take any size that fits.
Great. Now we should clarify something. Any can be used with singular countable nouns in this meaning.
Any seat, any day, any reason.
But in the question and negative meaning, we often use any with plural countables or uncountables.
Any apples, any time, any money, any information.
Great. Now let's connect some and any to countable and uncountable nouns in a simple way, with examples people actually use.
And we'll also include many, much, a few, a little, lightly, so learners stop mixing them, but only briefly. Countable nouns. You can count them. 1, 2, 3.
Apple, book, friend, idea, question.
Uncountable nouns. You usually don't count them as separate units.
Water, coffee, rice, sugar, money, time, information, advice.
Some works with both.
Some apples, some books, some water, some money.
Any works with both.
Any questions? Any friends coming? Any water? Any money?
Now, learners often ask, should I use much or many?
We'll keep it simple. Many with countables, much with uncountables.
Many questions, many friends, many apples.
Much time, much money, much water.
But in daily speaking, people often say a lot of instead of much and many.
A lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of questions.
That's natural and easy.
Great. Now let's focus back on some and any with real-life phrases.
Shopping. Do we need any eggs?
Yes, we need some eggs.
Do we have any bread?
No, we don't have any bread.
Travel. Do you have any cash?
I have some cash, but not much.
Do you have any information about the hotel?
I have some information. I saved it on my phone.
Perfect. Now we'll do conversation time because this topic is best learned in real speech.
We'll create 2 scenes, shopping and making plans.
And we'll include natural reactions and small laughs to make it feel like real friends talking.
Let's do it. Conversation time. 2 friends shopping for groceries.
Listen for some and any and how they sound natural.
Do we have any milk at home?
I don't think so. We don't have any milk.
Okay, let's get some milk.
Do we need any eggs?
Yes, we need some eggs. And we should get some bread too.
Do you want any snacks?
Maybe. Do they have any cookies?
They probably do.
Would you like some chips?
That's a dangerous question.
It is.
I don't want any chips today.
Okay, healthy day.
Do you need any help carrying those bags?
Yes, please. Can you carry some of these?
Sure.
Hey, do you have any cash?
I have some, but not a lot.
That's fine. I have some too.
Great. Now what about fruit?
Let's get some apples.
Do you want any bananas?
Not today. I don't want any bananas.
That sounded perfect. Neutral question with any, negative with any.
And positive with some. Some apples, some milk.
Now let's do plans. That's where any means no preference.
Yes, any day works, any time works. Let's practice that.
Plans conversation. 2 friends choosing a day and a place.
Listen for any, meaning it doesn't matter which. Are you free this weekend?
Yeah, I'm free. Any day works for me.
Really? Saturday or Sunday?
Any day. I don't mind.
Okay, what time?
Any time in the afternoon is fine.
Great. Do you want to meet at a cafe?
Sure, any cafe is fine.
Any cafe? You're too easy.
I just want coffee.
Okay, but I want a quiet one.
That's fair.
Do you have any preferences about food?
Not really. Anything is okay.
Anything is a little different, but yes, it's similar meaning.
Right. I'm not picky.
If you have any questions, text me.
Okay. And if you need any help, tell me.
Perfect. Any in positive sentences, meaning no matter what kind.
Now let's review quickly. Any in questions and negatives, some in positives, some in offers, any for no preference.
Great. Now we should fix typical mistakes.
Like using some in negatives or using any in warm offers.
And we will also practice a set of quick sentences you can repeat daily.
Let's do it. Common mistakes and clean corrections. Wrong sentence, then correct sentence.
Wrong. I don't have some time.
Correct. I don't have any time.
Wrong. Do you have some questions? Neutral situation.
Correct. Do you have any questions?
Wrong. I have any money.
Correct. I have some money.
Wrong. Do you have any coffee? Warm offer.
Better. Would you like some coffee?
Wrong. I need any help.
Correct. I need some help.
Great. Now quick repeat practice with real phrases.
Repeat. I have some time.
I don't have any time.
Do you have any time?
Would you like some coffee?
We need some information.
We don't have any information.
Do you have any information?
Could you give me some advice?
Now, choice, meaning any.
Choose any seat.
Any day works.
Any time is fine.
If you have any questions, let me know.
Great. Now we'll do a final mini drill. You choose some or any based on the sentence.
Then we'll do the recap and the practice challenge.
Now choose some or any.
Sentence 1. I have free time today.
Some.
Correct. I have some free time today. Sentence 2. Do you have questions?
Any.
Correct. Sentence 3. I don't have money right now.
Any.
Correct. Sentence 4. Would you like tea?
Some.
Correct. Sentence 5. You can pick color you want.
Any.
Correct. Sentence 6. We need help with this.
Some.
Correct. Sentence 7. We didn't buy eggs.
Any.
Correct. Sentence 8. Can I have water, please?
Some.
Correct. Sentence 9. Is there milk in the fridge?
Any.
Correct. Sentence 10. Any time is fine.
That one already has any, and it means no preference. Perfect.
Great. If you can do this fast, you understand the core idea.
Now we close with a clean recap and a practical challenge you can do today.
Final recap. Use some in most positive sentences.
I have some time. We need some help. She bought some groceries.
Use any in most questions and negatives.
Do you have any questions? I don't have any time. We didn't buy any bread.
Use some in polite offers and requests.
Would you like some coffee? Can I have some water?
Use any in positive sentences when it means it doesn't matter which.
Any day works. Any seat is fine. If you have any questions, let me know.
Some and any work with countable and uncountable nouns.
Some apples, some water. Any apples, any water.
Practice challenge for today.
Write 5 positive sentences with some.
Then write 5 questions with any.
Then write 5 negatives with any.
Next, write 3 offers or requests with some.
Would you like some tea? Can I have some help?
Finally, write 3 sentences with any, meaning no preference.
Any time works. Any place is fine. If you practice this for 2 days, you'll stop hesitating.
and your English will sound more natural in daily life.
All right, that's it for today. Thanks so much for listening. We're really happy you were here with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and like this video. Turn on the bell so you always get notified when we post a new one.
Comment. What's your biggest difficulty in English right now? And what do you want to learn next?
Grab a coffee and we'll talk again soon.